What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, got the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra on deck, and today is a case video. Now today we got to shout out UAG. They sent some cases for your boy to check out. Today what we checking out is the Essential Armor for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now this case is one of their more affordable cases, probably at like $39.99. But right now, at the time of this video, I'm going to put a link down in the description, and this case is on sale on Amazon for $29.99. Now if you take a look, as you can see, typical UAG packaging. We see up in the corner, it's got a translucent design. And also, as you can see, we got 15 feet of drop protection with built-in MagSafe. Take a look at the back. It's lightweight, built-in magnet for MagSafe, enhanced corners, shock-absorbing hex pattern, and protective screen surround. Now we're just gonna get it out like so, guys, and we got the case here. So this is a pretty cool case, guys. It's a polyurethane case, but it's still sturdy and protective, but it does have some give to it. The actual polyurethane on the back is actually more solid. The sides do have some give, but this is a more simple case from UAG. No wonder it's, cheaper than some of their more expensive cases. As you can see, it's got the style of a UAG case. As you can see, bolstered in the corner still, feet for drop protection and things of that nature, all going on. Still very rugged case. Camera cutout, raised up protection for around your camera cutout, and it's got the stylized camera like all the other UAG cases. So you look to the side, nice protruding button press with the slits in the button like I like, and the symbols. But this kind of reminds me of like a very sturdy TPU case. This colorway is actually called Ash. I like the fact that we still got this big drop absorption and the corners, all cutouts on deck down bottom. And if you want to use a lanyard, we got a spot for one of those. Now this is how I look on my silver white Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Not a bad look. Like I said, I'd rather individual camera cutouts, but the stylized look still looks okay. Like this would be the second way to go if individual camera cutouts wasn't a thing. As you can see, we got the big spot for the MagSafe magnet. And just like I said, a more sturdier version of a TPU case. As you can see, the hex design that's all inside of the case, guys, which is protecting your device from dropping. The hex design is for drop absorption. We got a little UAG branding right here down bottom. Like I said, as always with UAG, nice and bolstered up in the corners. Nice big cutout for your S Pen and big cutouts to get to your Type-C and your speaker. Now around front, this case doesn't add too much bulk at all. It's a pretty slim case, honestly, to be kind of rugged. It is a little slippery in hand, and at the same time, one thing that I'm not 100% feeling about this case is it's got a little give. It's got a little give. The way that it goes on the phone, like right here, is a little weak. Like if I was taking this case off and putting it on, it looked like, this would even possibly get weaker. So I'm not feeling that. I wish this was a little tighter around the phone. But you do have a big raised lip all the way around the screen. So I like that. Raised lip is definitely a way to go. So we just going to test the MagSafe strength real quick. Got a ring holder. Only holding the ring holder. I'm going to pick the phone up. Snap right on. And it's only on the ring holder, guys. I'm holding the ring holder. The strength of the MagSafe on the case and the ring holder is what's holding the phone. So this MagSafe is definitely strong enough on this UAG Essential case. But shout out to UAG for sending this out, guys. Definitely, if you like UAG, but you want something a little bit more simple, you basically want the essentials of some rugged protection and the style from UAG, this is the way to go. Like I said, I'll put a link down in the description. It's your boy BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. I'm out. Peace.